Oh my gosh, so here I am. I decided also, I told you in the last video in case you were able to watch it. If not, go watch it over on my channel. But I'm refreshing some of the designs on older art that I had done last year, and I got inspired by an impressionist painting. I think I'm saying that right. And they had done flowers. Well, here I've decided that I want giant butterflies. Now, anyone that knows me knows I'm probably scared of butterflies, maybe. I also am semi-scared of caterpillars, maybe, but that's my business. That's neither here nor there, right? And why am I afraid of butterflies? Because they used to be caterpillars. But yeah, I know it's kind of dumb. Don't judge me. So here I am. I really should have left or could have left the butterfly here in the brown and golds and warm, yummy caramel color that was there. I think I kind of overdid it at the end, but nevertheless, I love how it turned out. And in my office, in my staging space, it's really beautiful. So here I'm just sitting it up in the area that I also staged. It's in our pass through between our, when you walk in our garage, there's a hallway there. And so we have a butler's pantry that we were going to turn into like a setting area for like where we sit extra food during family dinners and stuff. So that's what we do in there. So that's where I have it sitting. And I put an ottoman in there with some fluffy pillows. I found a like a streamlined table. I'm sure it has a name, with a lamp. And so I really love it. And so I'm using the art there by sitting it there to see like what it will look like. How does it sit in the light? And it looks really gorgeous. I do love all the color that added to it, but I think it would have been just as pretty if I would have left it with the camel color brown, the rich warm mahogany, and the dark chocolate. But nevertheless, I have no clue why I have this picture in here, but here it is in stages as it's progressing along, and you're going to see it hanging on the wall in my office. Here it is when I had added like some violets, some periwinkle blue, and then here it is when it's finished, and I don't think at this point I had glossed it yet. And there it is in my office. It looks really beautiful. I love how it turned out. Let me know what you think.